My name is Nick Valente. I specialize in general orthopedic surgery. I practice out of F.F. Thompson Hospital in Canandaigua, New York. I'm a general orthopedist, so basically anybody with some type of orthopedic complaint comes and sees me. My practice focuses mostly on trauma type surgeries, broken bones, torn tendons, that kind of thing, and joint replacements, so hip and knee replacements. In addition, I do a lot of smaller, more minor procedures like trigger fingers, carpal tunnels, those types of things. A lot of patients have complex problems that don't have a simple answer, and I think sometimes you need to take the time to discuss that with them and see if they're having something else going on in their life besides a musculoskeletal problem. So I think what I want patients to know is that if they're coming to see me to be told what to do, they're not going to get that. I talk to the patient, inform them, give them everything that I know, and assist them in making that decision. But ultimately, that decision is the patient's. I think it's really important that they make the decision because that's how they're invested in their, pre-operative, post-operative, and long-term recovery. So I take the time to discuss that with patients in terms that they understand. I take a look at the patient holistically, thinking about their diet, their sleep, their activity level. I mean, I think activity is huge. So we discuss all of those aspects in the office visit as best as possible, and they use that information to make a decision. My patients are a gift to me, in a way. I get instant gratification after fixing a fracture and being able to see that x-ray, and my patients will tell you that I get visibly excited in the office when they come back, they're doing well, and their x-ray looks great. I'm outwardly excited to them. So I love that. The other thing that I really like, and I consider it a gift that the patients give to me, is that after I replace an arthritic joint, I can go see them the next day in the hospital, and the relief that I see on their face when they take those first steps, or as they describe taking those first few steps, I mean, it gets me every time.